You gonna do it off your iPod?
Yeah, it's on right now.
Oh, well.
Well, wait. Money
What?
Stacks. Hold up. I gotta like exit you out. There's my YouTube page already. Money Stacks Genius last. Well, Money Stacks Senior. You know, Guapo, Capo, Floppo, Topo.
Well, anyway, um, let's talk about our life today.
Hold up. First of all, why do they call you Curly Fried? That's what I want to know.
Cause
Uh,
I'm yummy. All the girls want to eat me.
That's what she said.
That's
That's
why my name is Curly Fry.
okay. Let's talk about today. How did it begin? Like
So
when we first met each other, was it not weird, awkward?
I'm gonna start back from when before I saw you.
Yeah, you
So
do
I'm in the
that.
car. This dumb guy. I'm telling him not to take exit 27.
27.
This bum takes exit 27.
Which bum are you talking about? This bum right here?
That bum that's sleeping.
Okay, that bum right there. Okay, nah.
So it takes us 30 minutes to go pick up Tyreek. We pick up Tyreek. We come to the house. I see you. I'm like, this nigga.
This nigga right here.
That
Come on.
real.
Keep it real,
we end
keep
up
it
in
real.
the studio.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
get real in there.
Get real
We
high.
perform. And then out of nowhere, holy, like
On that thing.
on that thing.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to tell him to hop off,
Hop.
but it's not working. So they ask for autographs.
All
I'm telling them like, just hop off. Just hop off. Stop calling my phone. I know.
How many times they call your phone? How many times they call your phone?
They call me. Man, what the phone?
Get the phone. Get the phone.
I don't even know. They probably took my phone.
They probably took it too. They probably, just like how they took your sunglasses and your gloves.
Yeah, like
They took your gloves.
disrespectful. So after that,
Yep.
we about to head to the me and my mans. We about to roll up in the Buffalo Wild Wings. and
Buffalo.
on that stuff.
Hold up. Tell them the conversation we had before that incident happened.
Yeah. So we in the car. We in this dark alley. You know like one of them alleys where like Michael Myers would just pop up. Like,
Yeah.
that type. So we all in the car. What if Michael Myers popped up
Yeah, or some chainsaw mask or stuff.
or
just
something like
happened.
that in
Yeah.
like the drive place.
Yeah.
And we thinking about it, so we say that shit.
We started laughing.
We laughing, ha ha. We think it's funny, ha ha.
This is
And
so
then-
funny.
And then my man's Rashid in the back
Right here.
talking about what if a deer pop up on some real stuff. I
Real.
was like, dog, I don't got a seatbelt.
You can cuss
on.
if you want, son.
I was like, I don't got a seatbelt on. Stop keeping it real. And he gonna keep it real anyway.
Yep.
And then he was
Every
like,
day.
I'm keeping it real. I was like, stop keeping it real. You're gonna jinx us. He's like, I'm keeping it real. And I was like, you're going to jinx us. As soon as I said that, I'm going to boom. Deer hits the car.
How did Jelani look?
He was like,
Hey.
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 Yeah.
How are you? You're dead. You're dead.
So it ends up that the deer takes a big massive
Yeah.
on the side of the
Oh, you
car.
can cuss if you want to. This is a all access.
Oh, yeah. So
Takes a big ass
I'm
shit.
talking about like big dookie stains, like
It was-
splattered on the
yes, all over
guts
it.
everywhere. You
The
see
lights.
You see the deer's horns just flying in the air. Like
I couldn't even see the face.
Yeah. So we pull over. We go to Buffalo Wild Wings,
Go
thinking
there.
that it's nothing on the car. We get out the car, and it is on our car.
Oh, first of all, Jelani couldn't even get out the car. So let's just do it like that.
Yeah.
Jelani was stuck.
The door was stuck.
I'm thinking Jelani wasn't strong enough to open the door, but he was just stuck.
So basically, that was our night. Now we're here
Yes.
making this video.
Making this video. Oh, and if you want to catch this man, tell him where to catch you at.
You could follow me at Try to Fool Me.
Try to fool me. Yeah. Sounds extra homo, but it's cool. It's cool.
Yes, I mean, it's for the links.
Oh. So I can't be on your page?
Yeah. I mean, you can be on my page if you're a fag, but I mean,
Girl, no gay dudes allowed.
so it's capital TRI _ 2,
Yep.
not number 2, TO
T.O.
_
Like Tyrone.
capital F OLDME.
Yes.
Follow me.
Oh,
follow
and
me.
shout out to anybody you thinking of right now that wanted to make this video. That wanted to see us collide.
Shout outs to
Selena Better.
shout outs to her.
Selena Better?
Yeah.
You gotta say the name.
What?
Selena Better.
I don't know how to say her last name.
Selena Benner.
Selena Benner.
Yeah.
Bad John.
On
on the
Kept it real.
low. On the low.
I don't know.
But shout outs to everybody. Like,
What about your girl? Your girl?
Just shout outs to like.
You just ignored me. Because you didn't want the girl to know about this video. I'll put it right on your page. So.
Shout outs to Brad
Yes, rap music that I'm not on
all day.
all day.
Matter of fact, look at that.